Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to delete extra pages in Microsoft Office Word. As you can see, I have here a document that contains some just random texts, but there are some blank pages. To delete these unwanted pages, there are three ways to do so. The first one and the traditional one is just to go and click on the blank page or unwanted page and just tap backspace or delete. As you can see, our previous page has been deleted. There is also the second method is to go to the home tab. Make sure that you are on the home tab and click on show the symbols. After you click on that, just go to the page break and delete it and click backspace. As you can see, the page has been deleted. There is also the, the third way of deleting the extra pages is to go to view tab, then click on navigation pane, and here on pages tab you can just select your page and just delete it manually. So those are the methods that you can use to delete extra pages on MS Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.